आप आकर क्या स्टार्ट करते हैं. When did you start watching anime?
I started in 2018. Started watching anime.
What is your first anime?
My first anime was Death Note. What was your first?
My first anime is One Punch Man. Which genre do you like to watch anime? Which anime genre do you like to watch?
I most like thriller and some adventure, action, supernatural, etc.
Which?
And which genre do you like?
My genre is ichi and mystery and horror and sci-fi.
Which anime do you think is most relatable for our human society?
AOT, Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan civilized human and tell us something about survivals and goals and sacrifices. And what do you think? Which is the longest anime by episode?
I think in the world, the longest Guinness World Record, according to Guinness World Record, this is Sazaku-san, which approximately contain 17,000 over episodes, and one of each episode cost 3 lakhs to 5 lakh US dollars, and the one of the most longest episode is about costs 5 lakh to 7 lakh US dollars.
Which?
You know which is the most popular anime in world?
Yes, Pokemon.
I want to tell you about that. Pokemon is the one of the global visualizing anime, and it costs about 100 billion US dollars.
What do you think? Which is more intelligent, L or Light?
I think Light.
Oh. Which is the most popular anime in 2025?
I think it is
Solo Leveling.
Solo Leveling.
Which?
You know which is the internet breaker episode in Dragon Ball?
Nah, forget.
Let me tell you about it. It was the Dragon Ball Super episode 130. It break the internet over 80 countries and break the internet server of 10 to 15 major websites in Google.
Anime stick and put jaldi.
And do you tell me about some anime history?
Animation in Japan started in 1917. It was started by first anime that named The Dull Sword. It is first experience in the Indian or the Japanese television in 1917.
Okay.
Which is the which is the most costly anime of the world?
I think